Let me rewrite the given equation, that is square root of 9 whole to the power of minus 7 times square root of 3 whole to the power of minus 5 is equal to 3 to the power of k. Already we know the value of the square root of 9 is 3, so this term will become 3 to the power of minus 7, and here we cannot find the exact value of square root of 3 because it's irrational, but we can change the square root as exponent. If I change the square root as exponent, it will be 1 divided by 2, so that is 3 to the power of 1 divided by 2 whole to the power of minus 5 is equal to 3 to the power of k. Okay, so 3 to the power of minus 7 times, we can multiply these two exponents, so we get 3 to the power of minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3 to the power of k. Okay, in the next step we can multiply these two terms. Here we have the two terms with the same base. If we multiply two terms with the same base, what we need to do is we have to take the base ones and add the exponents. That is negative 7, negative 5 divided by 2 is equal to 3 to the power of k. Okay, to simplify this particular part, what I need to do is I have to multiply this negative 7 and denominator 2. So 3 times negative 14 when I multiply negative 7 by the denominator 2 minus 5. So once this multiplication is done, we have to take these two as a common denominator. So we get negative 14 negative 5 divided by 2 is equal to 3 to the power of k. Okay, we get 3 to the power of negative 19 divided by 2 is equal to 3 to the power of k. When I simplify negative 14 negative 5, it will be negative 19. Here the base on the left side is 3, the base on the right side is also 3. So the two terms are equal with the same base 3. So if two terms are equal with the same base, what we can do is we can equate the exponents. Here we have the exponents negative 19 divided by 2 and k. So if I equate the exponents, I'll be getting negative 19 divided by 2 is equal to k. So the value of k is negative 19 divided by 2.